Good morning, students. In a question of line, I will explain you certain properties of the equation of line. One is intercept. What is intercept? You draw a straight line which cut x-axis and y-axis. It cuts x-axis at A point and the y-axis at B point. Then the distance of A point on x-axis from the origin and the distance of B on y-axis from the origin. This distance is known as the intercept. Now here is a point on the x-axis. It means OA. This is known as the x-intercept. And B, which is on the y-axis, OB, that is known as the y-intercept. So the distance of a point from the origin on the x-axis is called the x-intercept, and the distance of B point on y-axis from the origin is called the y-intercept. So here OA is x-intercept and OB is y-intercept, which is represented by C. Now on the x-intercept, y is 0, y on the y-intercept, x is 0. Now, how to form the equation of line? One is when slope and the intercept is given to you. Other is when point and the slope is given to you. And third is when 2 points on the slope is given to you. Now today I will explain you slope intercept form and the point slope form. First, slope intercept form. It clearly indicates that slope and the intercept is given to you. Suppose AB is a straight line cutting the y-axis, then BO, that is the intercept, which is represented by C. Now take any point P on the straight line. From P, draw perpendicular on the x-axis, and from the B point, draw a parallel BR to the x-axis. Now here a triangle is formed PBR. Now the slope of triangle BR is tan theta. Now this tan theta is known as the PR upon BR. That is, PR is the distance and BR is the distance, that is vertical distance and the horizontal distance. So tan theta is equal to PR upon BR. Here PR, this is the y point and this is the intercept. So y minus C, PR, and the PR is the x intercept. So tan theta is equal to y minus C upon x, and tan theta is equal to m, that is y minus C upon x cross multiplied mx is equal to y minus C. Now we write this equation in the form of y, then y is equal to mx plus C. This is the slope intercept form equation. Now all the equations of one variable or the two variables who is in a straight line, then these equations, they are written in the form of the y, that is y is equal to mx plus c, where c is the constant term. Now suppose a point is given to you on the straight line. Here AB is a straight line which is passes through the P point. Listen, point slope. P point is given to you. AB is a line which is passes through the P point. Now we have to form the equation on P point. Now take another point Q on the AB line. From Q, draw perpendicular on the x-axis, and also from P perpendicular on the x-axis. This is the x1, this is x, and from P a parallel line PR to the x-axis. Again listen, a line AB straight line passes through the P point. Here P point and the slope. Now we take another point Q on the AB, draw perpendicular from Q and the P on the x-axis, and straight line PR to the x-axis. Then we get a triangle QPR. In QPR, P, that is the slope. So here slope M is equal to tan theta, and the tan theta is equal to QR upon PR. Here QR is Y minus, that is Y1 minus Y, that is QR, and PR is X1 minus X. That is slope M is equal to Y1 minus Y upon X1 minus X, or Y1 minus Y is equal to M into bracket X1 minus X. So this is the equation of the line when a slope and the point is given you. And third is that when 2 points are given to you, that I will explain in my next video. So these are the fundamentals of the intersect and how to get the equation of line from slope and the intersect and from point and the slope. Okay, so if you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Thanks very much.